This video, what I'm going to do is go over this combination storage holder from the company Viozon. And I've had products from these guys before, and they have been very good quality products. And this one right here is actually like a laptop or maybe even like a tablet type holder. And then your headphones will go over there. And I've been needing that because I have a set of headphones and a laptop. And you know what? I use them both at the same time, and I need to store them places. And here's how it came, you know, in that little box right there. It looks like there's a little bit of assembly to this thing. Oh, that is very cool looking. That is a good, nice, it looks like walnut. That's a nice, good looking wood. Isn't that good looking wood? And it looks like that's going to screw in somehow right there. You know what? A lot of times I don't even need instructions. I just put things in right out of the box. Oh, look, they give you a little tiny screwdriver. So we got all of the hardware right there. Wow, not much to it actually. That's got to be the base. See the little feet? They got these little rubber feet. Oh yeah, look, that's not moving. That's handy. So that's not moving on a desktop right there. And then that's going to go just like that. Just to verify, let's look at it. Yep, look, you can see right here. See, I can figure these things out. Let me go ahead, read over these instructions, and I'm going to do this right. So we'll get it all laid out, and then I'll put it together. And I'll come back and tell you guys what I had to do to put it together, if it was easy or if it was hard. So let's get to assembling now. Okay, let me go over real quick what I did to assemble it. It was very easy, everybody. Number one, you had the tiniest screws probably on the entire planet right here. They gave you a screwdriver, so it was very easy. All you do is slide this bracket, this long bracket, goes right through there. You tighten those two screws up. There's a screw on the bottom of this piece of wood. So that's like a piece of wood, and it screws right into the wood right there. Now this guy right here goes down like that, and you got these two thumb screws right here on the back. Was simple. I had this thing together in probably 3 minutes. And so now I don't need the screwdriver anymore. I'll set it aside. Okay, now I got a laptop. I've got some headphones here. So there's a few things that we're going to do. Number one, this area right here can hold a controller. That's really cool. So if you got like an Xbox, I got an Xbox controller, PS5 controller. Now, you could put something like a tablet right here. So this is my 13-inch, you know, tablet right there. Slides in there. The Bluetooth headphones go right there, or they could be wired right there. And then I have a big laptop. This is a 17-inch laptop, and that's probably maxing this thing out. I'll actually put it in there like that. Very cool. Look at this setup, everybody. Let's just kind of like go over it. Let me show you. Does that look awesome? I really like what these guys come up with for storage solution for products. So you got a tablet, a 17-inch laptop, Bluetooth headphones, and a controller right there, because I use this for my gaming, for my apps on my you know, tablet right there. So everybody, this is something I recommend for anyone that's, you know, does a multimedia session like this, and this will make your desk look so much cleaner. See how it can just set up on your desk like this, and how clean this whole kind of assembly looks now. I like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got for the combination holder. See you all in the next video.